Hey everyone, so today I wanted to do a review on these concealers. They're new at Ulta and they are the Makeup Revolution concealers. I've seen these everywhere online and I really just wanted to try it out for myself to see if I would really like them, and I actually do. The product comes with, let's see, it comes with 0.11 fluid ounces, and it doesn't have a lot of claims online if I remember. It just said that it was a concealer that was supposed to brighten the under eyes and give you a flawless complexion from what I remember. I don't have my Tarte Shape Tape with me right now because I haven't been using it. I don't remember how much product the Tarte one actually has. The Tarte concealer actually comes with a lot more product. It comes with 0.3381 fluid ounce. This one comes with 0.11 fluid ounce. So if you times this by 3, it'll be 33 fluid ounce, but 7 times 3 is 24. Almost the same price actually. This is made in Korea. I'm not exactly sure if this brand is cruelty free or not. I guess I should check on that. But yeah, the Tarte one comes with like the same amount of product if you just add like $3 more or something like that. So it's actually not too bad. It's actually the same price. It is a little bit cheaper because you are paying like drugstore price for it, but you're getting less product. So that's honestly up to you if you decide which one you'd rather get. But yeah, I just wanted to make that note. I will leave a clip, of course, over this talking portion just to show you guys how I applied it and stuff. I used my Morphe sponge to blend it all out, which is just the red one with the tapered at the bottom. And then I also set it with my Dermablend loose setting powder, and it's like one of the best powders to set your concealer with. Any concealer, it works with everything. I find that my Sacha setting powder is a little heavy for like an everyday kind of thing, but I do like it for events and stuff, and I just brush it off with this BH Cosmetics brush. This is a number 2, just like a powder brush, and it's perfect for brushing any powder off of your face. I have the shade C12 and C10, so I will go ahead and swatch C12 for you. This is C12. Here I have C10. So you can see that there is quite a big difference from just 2 shades. And then I have C15, which I use to cream contour. And I needed something like this because I was so tired of using my Graftobian sponges, or my Graftobian foundations. So C12, C10, C15. And I mixed these 2 shades under my eyes. Now, the reason why I didn't get C11 is actually because it actually has more of like a pinky undertone. I don't know if you guys were able to see that or if it translated online. When I looked at swatches, I did not think that, like, I completely skipped over C11 because I saw the pink undertones, and I just didn't think that it would work for my skin tone, being that I am a more olive and yellow complexion. So yeah, it set really nicely on the under eyes. It blended out nicely. Now the Morphe sponge did soak up a little bit of the product, so you can see that there's a little bit extra product where there's little dots, because I did do dots on my under eyes. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see how my under eyes actually look. I still see my dark circles here in this area. I think if I added a little bit more product it would cover it, but it didn't cover it completely. I do like the finish of it. I think it's set really nicely. It didn't feel too drying, as dry as the Tarte Shape Tape. I do have like creasing here already. That's just my under eyes. That's how they are. But overall, I think it blended out really nicely. I did think that it set pretty fast, so if you like just leaving your under eye setting powder there for a little bit, then definitely be a little bit more wary of that. And yeah, I will check with you guys in a little bit. I am going to do a full-on review today, and hopefully I can check back in at night. But it is 11:31 right now. I already went to the gym this morning and everything, so I can't test it in the gym, and I don't wear makeup to the gym anyway. But I'm just gonna go out to eat, and I'm gonna go to lunch, and then I'm also going to, what else am I gonna do? I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping. So hopefully it still looks good, and I will give you guys updates throughout the day. So I'll see you guys in a bit. It is 2:18 right now, so it's been like 2 hours. I did all my shopping and everything and got some lunch. This is what my under eyes are looking like. I still have some darkness here. It's really peeking through, and I wish I would have done the Tarte Shape Tape on one side so you guys would have been able to see it, but I guess this is fine. It's just like a dedicated review. So you can see like I have dark, what the hell, I can't get good lighting. I have dark spots here, and it really accentuated my little wrinkle there. I can't do anything about that, but the contour still looks really good. It's been set in place. It's not transferring or anything. It looks good because I set it. Update, it is now 5 p.m. and this is what my under eyes are looking like. It doesn't look bad, but now it looks super droopy. You can see my dark circles. And I haven't been rubbing my eyes or anything, so it's just fading. For this last portion, this was actually at 10 p.m. and I was starving, so we went to Taco Bell. But this is what my under eyes look like. I think they still look the same. I do feel like it faded just the tiniest bit, but it was no big deal for me. My under eyes are just super dark, so I would have to color correct them in order for them to be absolutely flawless. But this is what it looked like. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know if you liked it down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.